If you're watching this video, like and subscribe to Just the Chords for access to our full Chords library playlist. Today we're going to be looking at Roman numerals, the I's and the V's, Super Bowl language, in minor keys. So we'll look at it in A minor, E minor, and G minor. Let's check it out. Starting in A minor, give me an A, C, E. The one chord in our minor keys is always going to be a minor chord. Moving up a scale degree to the second scale degree, this case B, the second chord is always going to be diminished. So we'll spell this B, D, F. Right? We bring that fifth note down a half step, B, D, F, to make it a diminished chord. Bringing it down a half step, meaning from the minor chord to the diminished. Second scale degree, always diminished in our minor keys. We could then see a 3 chord in minor, which will be in a major key. So we'll spell this C, E, G here. Always a major 3 chord. Take it up a step. Our 4th chord will be minor in these minor scales, a minor 4 chord, in this case, D minor. The 5 chord of the scale is going to be minor. That's E minor in this case, E, G, B. Build the 5th chord minor in our minor Roman numeral scales degrees. Always make that 5th chord of the scale minor in our minor keys. Moving on. It all moves up right to a major 6, FAC in this case. 6th scale degree is always going to be major in the minor key. And lastly, our 7th scale degree. It's going to be major G, B, D in our minor keys, so we can get back to that home base that we started on, a minor 1. That was the chord symbols in A minor. Let's look at the minor chord symbols in E minor. In E minor, we'll start on E, G, B. That's a minor 1 chord. On the second note of the scale, F sharp, we're going to make a diminished second chord, F sharp, A, B. And that's our diminished second. For the 3rd scale degree, we'll start on G. Give us a major 3rd chord in the minor keys. Capital Roman numeral 3. Move it up to, in this case, A minor. That is a minor 4 chord. The 5 is lowercase, so we'll make it a minor chord. In this case, B minor. Spell that B, D, F sharp. Minor 5, B minor, in the key of E minor. Then moving up to the 6th scale degree. We need a C major here, keep it major. It's a capital 6 Roman numeral. And lastly, a capital 7 Roman numeral. In this scale, it'll be a D, F sharp, A. And we're right next door to our minor 1 chord again, E, G, B. Lastly, let's look at it in G minor. We'll start on that G, B flat, D in the key of G minor. Move it up to a diminished 2nd chord. Let's spell that A, C, E flat in this key. Diminished 2 chord. Rise it all up to a major 3 chord. In this case, it's a B flat major. B flat, D, F. The 4th scale degree, let's go to C. For a C minor, C, E flat, G. The 5th scale degree, it's minor. Give me a D minor here. D, F, A. Minor 5, D minor on the 5th scale degree. Moving on to a 6th scale degree, E flat, G, B flat. Another major chord. Our 7th scale degree in G minor, we're going up to F major, F, A, C. So we're right next door to our minor 1 home key again of G minor. G, B flat, D. That was the minor Roman numerals in A minor, E minor, and G minor. Review whatever you need to, and play on.